and good afternoon, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure and joy to welcome you all to our annual cultural event called Bal Sabha. Bal Sabha, a joyous occasion where we celebrate the growth, achievements and boundless potential of our little stars. It is a platform that enables free and creative expression. It allows each child to hone their aptitude and skill set. Bal Sabha marks the celebration of each child's individuality and uniqueness. Each child in our classroom is like a 1,000-watt bulb illuminating our lives with their luster and shine. Today we are fortunate enough to witness them transform into fearless performers. There is a lovely mist of excitement and enthusiasm in the air, and I invite one and all, our honorable dignitaries across the board, our special chief guest, my fellow colleagues, important senior members, our amazing, wonderful and supportive parents, our winners, and of course the dolled up stars of today, our lovely, adorable kids, to enjoy this day with us and make it a grand success. I would also like to take this moment and remember our founder members, without whom none of us would be here today. I bow down to pay my respects to our visionary founder, late Srinivas Kulkarni sir, who had dedicated his entire life to build a community and institution that has successfully produced some wonders throughout many years. Without his vision, willpower, perseverance and sacrifice, our esteemed institution would not be here today. He may not be present among us, but his existence has birthed the very foundation of this institution. He remains alive in our hearts in the form of a roaring flame that is always inspiring and motivating us. Our founder, beloved, evergreen, ever-charming, Shrimati Jayashree Kulkarni ma'am has equally contributed to this dream, and without her support or hard work, we would not be bearing the fruits today. She is indeed our godmother, an epitome of intense mental strength and nurturing nature. I pledge my allegiance to these two enigmas that have blessed our lives in more ways than one. It is because of them that we stand at the precipice of new successes every single day. I also want to pay my respects to our astounding, dynamic, captivating and astute principal, Mr. Prasad Kulkarni sir, who works tirelessly, wholeheartedly and steadily to make our school what it is today. His creativity, reach and vision has led our school on an upward path for decades. Before we begin this marvelous event, it is always important to remember the greater one, our creator, our God. I now request our guests, Mrs. Pradnya ma'am, Mrs. Flora ma'am and our guest of honor, Mrs. Neeta ma'am, to kindly initiate the event by lighting the lamp and praying to Ma Saraswati. Please create this auspicious environment for us all.
Masa
I humbly request our ever-smiling, ever-loving coordinator of Shishu Vihar to welcome and address all that are present here today. Please welcome Mrs. Flora DeCosta, ma'am.
Hello my children, my dear parents. Say hello ma'am. Yes, you all had your food and came, no? Yes. So we all three of us wishing you all the very best for your performance. Okay? A very warm welcome to our chief guest, Anita Pillai, our headmistress, Pradna ma'am, and of course all my lovely parents gathered here, my dear teachers of the Shishu Vihar section, and my dear little children. A very warm welcome to one and all. I know how eagerly you may be waiting to see your little children performing today on the stage. They want to show you how big they are grown and how much they have learned and how much they are taught by the teachers, the pain and trouble the teachers have taken for them. So please appreciate and don't hesitate to clap. Okay? We will not tell you clap now. You need to clap every time somebody is saying something good about someone. Okay? Because your appreciation is very valid for us. Okay, parents? Yes. So now we are going to begin with a lovely program which the children have put up and the hard work of the teachers will be seen. Okay, the rest of the program has to carry on. If I take the mic, the thing will flow. It will go on and on and on. So I don't want to deprive my children and you parents to watch the program. So we have got lots of other time to talk. So enjoy the show. Okay? God bless you all. God bless you, and it's nice to see you all here. Okay? Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Flora ma'am. See, मैंने बोला ना, ever smiling, ever loving, हमेशा हंसते हैं, हंसाते हैं और बहुत प्यारे हैं. So thank you so much, Flora ma'am, for your sweet words. I would now like to call upon little Miss Sanvi Vaiti to welcome everyone on the behalf of all the kids of Mango class.
My name is Sanvi Rushikashwati. I am in senior KG Mango class. Dear parents, guests, teachers and our talented students, a warm welcome to the Bal Sabha hosted by senior KG Mango class of Shishu Vihar. We are honored to have our chief guest Rita Pillai ma'am, our headmistress Pradna ma'am and coordinator Flora ma'am as our esteemed guest today. Your leadership and support have been invaluable to our school community, and we are grateful for your presence to our dedicated teachers. Thank you for your tireless effort in nurturing our students' talent and passion. Your guidance has helped shape them into the performance they are today. And to our wonderful students, today is your time to shine. Your hard work and dedication to your craft are truly inspiring. As you grace the stage, remember to let your passion and creativity take center stage. Bal Sabha is a celebration of talent and unity. Let's come together to support and cheer all our participants as they showcase their skills and spread joy through their performance. Thank you all for being here. Let's make this Bal Sabha an unforgettable event filled with love, music, dance, and memories to cherish. Enjoy the show. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sanvi. Children, as you can see, we have have some very important and special people on the panel today that we would love to introduce you to. First and foremost, our beloved, fierce, dynamic, wise, the headmistress of our school, Mrs. Pragya Rajapadhyay ma'am, who has intensely worked towards LEMS and Shishu Vihar for a whopping 30 years. Her guidance, vision, devotion and support nudges us towards greater success and prosperity. The love and cares that she showers upon the staff, the teachers and especially the children is unmatched. Her strength and determination to make Shishu Vihar what it is today is a testament of incredible courage and resilience. Please give her a big round of applause. Secondly, we would love to introduce the heart of our institution, our dearest coordinator, Mrs. Flora De Costa ma'am. Her entire life has been dedicated towards Shishu Vihar. She is our dear mother and she radiates love. Her commitment towards the kids and the community is truly inspiring. She has been here since the beginning and has witnessed as well as supported the institution by standing tall and being a pillar of loyalty. We deeply love and appreciate her every day here at Shishu Vihar. Please clap for Flora ma'am. And now, I would love to introduce you to our special chief guest of the day, Mrs. Neeta Pillai ma'am. Please give her a round of applause. She is well known in IES school for her dedication and devotion. She has provided 29 years of unwavering service to the education community. After joining IES in 1988, she was promoted as the respected headmistress in 2010. Neeta ma'am retired in 2017, but not before leaving a huge and irreplaceable mark in the school and her career. She is known for her dedication towards social work and helping the community. She has spent months and years of her life working towards NGOs for children, women and the senior citizens. At present, Neeta ma'am is a core member of the NGO Bhagini Sakshamta Forum, which helps women in need to become financially independent and stable. Ma'am is also an avid reader and has a knack for writing articles. She has received multiple awards and her articles are published in many renowned newspapers. She has bagged the Best Teacher Award from the Rotary Club. So here we have such an incredible personality with so many accolades under her wing. Let's hear a huge round of applause for Mrs. Neeta Pillai ma'am. Thank you ma'am for gracing us with your presence today on the occasion of Bal Sabha. I now request our students to honor these incredible women, the special guests of today, with a small token of gratitude and appreciation. Kindly accept and receive our little gesture. Aishwarya ma'am? Yes, children say hello Flora ma'am.
Hi children, I love you.
Say I love you too. Thank you so much dear kids and dear guests. We now move forward to a very important section of the event, and that is our activity report. Competitions, activities, celebrations, cultural events are all equally important along with academic studies for every student. This ensures well-rounded and holistic development of each child. Let us take a look at some of the activities and competitions that we participated in throughout the academic year 23-24. Right from the orientation meeting along with all the parents and multiple parent-teacher meetings throughout the year, a day in the school begins with prayers, songs, yoga and exercise every single day. We had Ashadi Ekadashi celebrations through this year where children dressed up as characters. They were explained the importance of the day and they participated wholeheartedly. There was another big event for India this year, which was the Chandrayaan-3 launch. That was also celebrated in the school where the children were explained about the launch and we celebrated this launch together. Then we have drawing competitions in which the children are allowed to express their creativity and to show their creative skills. We also have fancy dress competition which all you parents wholeheartedly participate in, which is a testament of your hard work as well. Then we have festival activity sheets throughout the year. So whenever there is any festival that is upcoming, children have craft sheets that they do beautifully and are posted up on the notice board. Then we have something of a big event called our Ganesh Chaturthi. This is indeed a big event for our school. Even though we have a Ganesh Chaturthi event for the entire school, we celebrate one specifically for the KG section. We bring a beautiful Ganpati idol. There is a small procession and the little kids enjoy and dance to the music of Lord Ganesha. We also celebrate Guru Purnima, where the children are made to understand the importance of gurus in their life. Then we have the Shravan Haldi Kumkum, where they understand tradition and ethnic culture. Then we celebrate Independence Day and Republic Day with immense love for our country, for our nation. We also had an International Yoga Day this year where we celebrated the importance of yoga and also had the children participate in various yogas with us so that they understand the importance of exercise and yoga in their life. Then another big celebration in our year is the Krishna Janmashtami. This is indeed a great celebration for our kids where the children dress up as little Krishnas and Radhas. They even have a dahi handi and वो मटके भी फोड़ते हैं. उसके बाद वो आकर नीचे बहुत सारा celebration करते हैं. We have nice dances, we have songs and we worship Lord Krishna. We also celebrate Nag Panchami where we explain the kids the cultural importance of this event, of this festival. They even have little Nag Thalis with clay. Then we have something called the Navratri celebrations where we bring the children downstairs. They are explained the importance of all the 9 days, all the colors and about goddess. Then they also have a wonderful time, a gala time, doing Garba and playing Dandiya. Then there is something important called as the no gas cooking activity. This activity is very important because it instills a sense of independence in the children regarding food and hunger. These activities make sure that the child is confident enough to enter the kitchen and find sustenance for himself or herself without the need to use any gas or equipment. Then we have the patriotic competition where children sing patriotic songs and express their love for the country. My personal favorite, we have the quiz competition, and that is quite an entertaining situation. We have pairs of students, we have the buzzer round, we have the qualifying round, children answer different questions across different genres, and it helps them increase their general knowledge, knowledge about the politics, knowledge about space, knowledge about all the things in general. Then we also celebrate Raksha Bandhan and explain the importance of this event to the kids. We also have something called the show and tell activity, where we give children certain topics and they speak on it for a few minutes. It increases their knowledge and makes them aware. Then we have a sports event. This event is its own section. We have qualifying rounds. We even practice sports for an entire month. Then we have our qualification rounds, and finally we have our sports final, where the winners are celebrated with medals and certificates. We also have storytelling competitions, we have Teachers' Day, we have tree plantation activity where the children actually learn how to plant a tree. Then we have the picnic. Picnic is, of course, always awaited and anticipated by all the children. This year we went to Tikajini Wadi, and at the year end we have the annual gathering. So to give you a little idea about the events, activities, cultural celebrations, festivals, and everything that we do throughout the year, which help the children to have a nice, well-rounded development. It helps their confidence, it helps their speech, it helps improve their skills. You are all welcome to visit our school website www.sanlakshmibai.org and witness these activities in detail. As I said, it helps the kid to touch base with their cultural roots. Each festival is celebrated with the utmost pomp and vigor. Every activity helps unlock previously unknown skill set in our students. With every competition, the students of Shishu Vihar grow more confident, strong, experienced, smart, and level-headed enough to present themselves as proud students of LEMS and Shishu Vihar in today's fast-paced and challenging world. So with that, we conclude our activity report. Parents, I hope आपको एक अच्छा आइडिया आ गया होगा. आपने सारे पिक्चर्स देखे, फोटो देखे अभी? यस, आपने सभी ने देखा आपके बच्चे कितने प्यार से ड्रेस्ड अप है, सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, और आई एम श्योर वो आके आपको घर पे हर रोज तो बताते ही होंगे कि हम क्या करते हैं. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स वी सेलिब्रेट इन आवर स्कूल ऑल थ्रू आउट द ईयर अपार्ट फ्रॉम आवर academic studies. We now enter an exciting stage of today's celebration. As Colin Powell has rightly said, there are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Life doesn't just happen. It requires participation, and so does success. True hard work and participation deserves just as much appreciation and recognition as does winning. Therefore, today we take the time to congratulate, reward, and celebrate the winners of today. It makes me colossally proud to announce that nearly 85 to 90% of the class strength of Mango class has bagged prizes in multiple competitions. Please give a big round of applause for Mango class. Naturally, this is not only a celebration of all the children, but also their parents who have relentlessly worked towards achieving these goals. I salute your support and enthusiasm. I kindly request our guests to come forth and felicitate our kids proudly. I now call upon my dearest colleague and fellow class teacher of Mango class, Mrs. Sabina Madhavan, to declare the winners of today. I want all the parents and kids to cheer wholeheartedly for their friends.
Good afternoon, parents. I would now like to call upon the winners of today. We'll start with the girls first. Sanvi Vaiti. First prize in Nag Panchami, English song competition, shloka recital, aarti thali, fancy dress, drawing competition, show and tell competition, second prize in poetry recital, patriotic song and story narration. We now like to call upon Sanvi's mom. The gifts are heavy. Clap everybody. Come on Mango class, clap for your friend Sanvi. Next, Sharvi Bagwe. First in poetry recital, story narration, fancy dress and writing competition. Second in patriotic song, drawing competition, show and tell, quiz competition and Nag Panchami competition. Please mom, please come on stage. Clap for your friend Sharvi. Next is Shubhra Tavde. Second in English song competition and writing competition, show and tell competition, and third in poetry recital competition. Clap for Shubhra. Shubhra's mom, please come. Come on stage. Clap for Shubhra, everybody. Next is Deepti Gupta. Second in fancy dress competition, fourth in poetry recital and English song competition, fifth in drawing competition. Deepti's mom, please come on stage. Clap for Deepti everyone, come on. Come on. Next is Arohi Borkar. Third in English song competition, third in show and tell, fourth in patriotic song. Next is Anushri More. Clap, parents, please keep clapping. Third in fancy dress competition, drawing competition and fourth in show and tell competition. Clap for Anushri everyone. Next is Swamira Maldikar. Come Swamira. Third in story narration, fourth in aarti thali and fifth in show and tell competition. Children, clap for Swamira everyone. Next is Gyanvi God. Fourth in patriotic song competition and English song competition. Clap for Gyanvi Mango class. Come on. Next is Diksha Sharma. Fifth in drawing competition and consolation in show and tell competition. Clap for Diksha Mango class. Come on. Next is Shalvika Gole. First in fancy dress competition. Shalvika was dressed as a camera. Clap for Shalvika everyone. And then we call Gurvi Katholia. Second prize in quiz competition. Come on Mango. Next is Mihika Kamble. Third prize in patriotic song competition. Next is Ovi Bhosle. Third in Nag Panchami competition and show and tell competition. Come on children and parents, clap for Ovi. Next is Gargi Nayak. Fourth prize in handwriting competition. Come on, clap for Gargi. Next is Radhika Kori. 4th prize in patriotic song competition. Mango class, come on. Samiksha Sable. First is Nag Panchami competition and 4th in fancy dress competition. Clap for Samiksha. And then we have our last little angel, Sprua Hande, 4th in fancy dress competition. Clap for Sprua. And now we will start with our little munchkins, our boys. Mango class boys, ready? Come on. First is Arav Bansode. We request Arav's mom also to come on stage. First in patriotic song competition, English song competition, story narration, show and tell, second in poetry recital, third in quiz competition, and 4th in fancy dress competition. Next is Ainesh Kakade. First in story narration, second in English song, third in quiz and drawing and show and tell, 4th in patriotic song competition. Ainesh's mom, please come. Next is Shivansh Gunke. First in patriotic song, second in story narration, second in drawing competition, third in poetry recital, and 4th in show and tell competition. Clap for Shivansh. Next is Pratyush Arkhale. First in poetry recital, second in English song, third in patriotic song, and 4th in story narration. Clap for Pratyush, children. Come on. Next is Divyansh Singh. Second in Nag Panchami competition, patriotic song competition, fancy dress and quiz competition, and 4th in drawing competition. Clap for Divyansh, parents. Next is Vishwa Pawar. Second in fancy dress, third in English song, 4th in story narration, 5th in show and tell competition. Clap for Vishwa. And Vishwa's mom is here. Clap for them. Come on, everybody, parents. Put your hands together for them. Next is Parv Khanvilkar. Third in poetry recital, 4th in English song, and 4th in fancy dress competition. Clap for Parv, parents and children. Come on. Mango class. Next is Day Dadi. Second in Nag Panchami competition, show and tell competition, third in Aarti Thali competition. Clap for Day. Devansh Mali, third in drawing competition and 5th in handwriting competition. Clap for Devansh, children. Next is Nirmay Chavan. Second in Aarti Thali competition. Clap for Nirmay. Harsh Vaiti, third in handwriting competition. Come on, clap, children. Next is Diyan Sheikh, third in quiz competition. Clap for Diyan, parents, children. Don't get tired. Next is Bhavya Boyle, 4th in poetry recital competition. Yes, clap for Bhavya. Next is Heram Deshmukh, 4th in drawing competition. Children, clap for Heram. Come on. Next is Nimish Mali, 4th in Nag Panchami competition. Clap for Nimish, children. Mango class, clap for your friend. Next is Rayan Hatiani, 4th in poetry recital competition. Clap for Rayan, come on. Next is Pratik Sawant, 3rd in Nag Panchami competition and 5th in show and tell competition. Clap for Pratik. Then last we have Atharva Shinde. Come, Atharva's mom, please bring him on stage. It's a consolation in show and tell. For his prop, he had made a beautiful prop. Clap for Atharva. All parent volunteers, please come on stage. Parent volunteers, the volunteer badge, please come on stage. We would also like to call upon our media person, Vidya ma'am and Atharva sir. Please clap for them. With the conclusion of our prize distribution, I would like to call upon our chief guest, Mrs. Neeta Pillai ma'am, to share a few thoughts and address the crowd. Please clap for Neeta Pillai ma'am. Come on children, clap!
Good afternoon, one and all. Respected dignitaries on the dais, teachers, parents, the non-teaching staff, and my dear children. Good afternoon, children. Very good children, no? Sitting quietly, no? You all are very good. Good. Now listen, okay? On the outset, let me thank first of all Prasad sir, because I know Prasad sir from many years. Though I am working in IES, I was working in IES, but we have very good relation with Prasad sir. Many times he used to come in our school and we always used to have a talk with them. So I am very known to Prasad sir and known to this school from long back, not now. I would like to thank Pradnya madam also, because her also I know from so many years. Though we are working in a different schools, but still you can say that we are the family members. That much we are close to each other. So thank you Pradnya ma'am for calling me. Last but not least, my best friend, Flora teacher. We know each other from last 35 years. We are very best friends. And the thing is what, we always share our thoughts, like my ideas, her ideas. And we try to give best to our school what we can give. That is the best part of our friendship. Though we are separate schools, but we never feel that we are from separate schools, and we act like that we are in same branch only. So our work always gets some benefit because of we are friends. Now, here I have heard about the annual report. Really, it was too good. Since I am working in this field from last 35 years, something is not new for me, but I have observed one thing. The festivals which the school celebrates, the competitions which the school conducts, this gives children an extra general knowledge. They get to learn something. See, all people are not from the same caste and do not celebrate all the festivals at home. In the school, they come to know the importance of each and every festival. So this is something where the children get some extra knowledge, and in extra curriculum activities they can come with their inner ideas. And I saw these all activities help them in overall development. So I should say, you people are lucky that your children are in Lakshmibai school. We'll clap for Lakshmibai school. I have always seen the teamwork of teachers. Now just now I saw Gargi teacher's work. Amazing. I am impressed with Gargi teacher. Very nice. And the teamwork always, yes, send me this all. A very lovely invite. And I have always seen the teamwork in this school. Really this helps to improve overall education of the school. This helps everyone to to get something, to learn something new with the modern technologies which I have seen here. I saw some modern technology people also who are sitting here and helping them in a best technology what they can give. So really very nice work. And finally I have to ask Pradna madam, who are these all? Whether they are the teachers of a school or what? She said me no, they are parents. मला नाही वाटत प्रत्येक शाळेमध्ये पालकांना ही संधी मिळते. आमच्या एज्युकेशनल लँग्वेज मध्ये जर सांगायला गेलो तर इट इज पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स अँड द असोसिएशन, ऑल थ्री टुगेदर, अँड द वर्क बिकम्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट. So 3 cheers for the parents who all are doing wholeheartedly a good work and helping teachers. See, here I have seen less teachers and more parents. So this is something, unique, where even though with the less teachers or less staff, we can do the best, whatever we want to do. So I'm really, really very happy. And here I would like to say one thing. Instead of calling me a chief guest, I'll be happy if they call me their family member. Because I always come in this school, I'm always close to the entire staff of this school. So I will say I'm one of the family member. मराठीत म्हण आहे ना, आपण माहेरी गेलो की आपल्याला किती बरं वाटते. आज माझं असं झालेलं आहे. मला असं वाटतं की मी माझ्याच घरात माझ्या माहेरी आलेली आहे आणि मला तो आनंद वेगळाच आहे. आता जास्त वेळ न घेता मुलं कधीपासून तयार झालेले आहेत. We'll see their program. Once again, thanks to all present in this auditorium. Thank you very much.
Please give a big round of applause for Neeta ma'am for her sweet, sweet words. Parents, children, I find myself full of love today. I can sense a huge amount of pride in my heart looking at all the sweet faces in front of me. I want to extend a warm and heartfelt vote of thanks to firstly our special guests for always inspiring us to do and to be better in this selfless field of education. Your contribution to this community is significant and can never be forgotten. We thank you for taking the time to be here today and share this experience with us. Secondly, I want to thank my dear parents and extend my heartfelt gratitude for your invaluable contribution. Please clap for the parents. For your invaluable contribution, your enthusiasm in your child's participation for our annual cultural event, your unwavering support, resolute dedication, whether through volunteering, costume making, or simply cheering from the audience, it has truly made the event an easy feat to achieve. Today's Bal Sabha and countless other activities would not be possible with the constant support of our parents and your unhindered loyalty. You paved the way for us teachers to confidently carry out our vision because at the back of our mind we know how amazing our dear parents are. Please put it together for a loud applause for our superstar parents. I want to thank these little bundles of joy for their incredible hard work, dedication and commitment towards today's event. Every single day they have participated, they have practiced, they have shown enthusiasm and love towards performing for everyone. They have really grown through this experience and transformed themselves into shining stars. Kids, please clap for yourself. Pat yourself on the back. Very good. When I see my students really put in every ounce of energy into their participation, it fills me with euphoria. I indeed am fortunate to witness a little kid transformed into a well-equipped, kind and a genuine human being at the end of the year. I would also like to thank our fellow teachers for their support, help and cooperation today, throughout this month and otherwise. We see you, we love you, you truly are the Navdurgas. You embolden me every single day to give my absolute best, not only for myself, not only for Shishu Vihar, but for you all as well. Please clap for our amazing teachers, parents. Come on. And especially we have Padma teacher and Vishali teacher with here today to help us on the floor. Please give them a clap. I especially want to appreciate our non-teaching staff for all of their help in executing each and every event that we set sail for. Whether it be our maushis, our peons, our media staff, our music staff that is here especially for us today, your hard work and dedication never goes unnoticed. We love you and we thank you for being our pillars and for being our hands. Thank you so much. Please clap for our non-teaching staff. I now request everyone to kindly be seated as we get into first gear to begin our cultural program. सब लोग रुके हैं कि नहीं? डांस कब चालू होने वाला है? कब हम देखेंगे बच्चों को डांस और सॉन्ग्स करते हुए? Yes, children, are you excited? Very good. Tell me how excited you are. Put your hands up. Wave at me. Say yes. We are excited. Very good. Parents, yes. We are excited. Amazing. Okay, so let's set the stage for our cultural event now. We'll begin shortly. Thank you so much.
विषय है लव। लव इज समथिंग दैट फ्यूल्स आवर लाइव्स। वो प्यार जो प्रकृति और ब्रह्मांड अपने रचना के प्रति महसूस करता है, वो प्यार जो एक माँ अपने बच्चों के लिए महसूस करती है, या फिर वो प्यार जो एक पिता तब महसूस करता है जब वो अपने बच्चे को पहली बार गोद में लेता है। भाई बहनों के बीच का प्यार, दोस्तों के साथ मन भर के बातें करने का प्यार, या फिर टीचर और स्टूडेंट के बीच का प्यार। वो प्यार जो एक इंसान बारिश में भीगते हुए महसूस करता है, जब गरम तड़पती धूप में ठंडी छांव मिलने पर जो खुशी मिलती है वो भी प्यार है। जब एक थकान भरे दिन के बाद आप घर आकर अपने परिवार के साथ बैठते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, हंसते हैं, तो वो भी प्यार ही है। जब एक अबोल जानवर की आंखों में देख के उसे थपथपाते हो तो वो भी प्यार है। आप अगर देखें तो हम चारों ओर से प्यार से घिरे हुए हैं। Just like we can't live without oxygen, we can't live without love. एक चीज हमें जीवित रखती है, लेकिन दूसरे के होने से हम जिंदा महसूस करते हैं। So this beautiful emotion that literally runs our life and that is the theme of today is love, which is what we are celebrating. So we have a mango class here to invite you all to love a little more and to love deeply.
From the very start, and I got the love in my beating heart. Spread that love all across the earth and tell everybody what His love is worth. Come on, so let God get His praise from us. Yeah, and love people like the Savior does. Hey, you ain't never gonna be the same when you L-O-V-E in Jesus' name. Yeah. God's love is like no other. Hey, hey. We're gonna love each other.
Wondering about the many stresses and tensions of life, and when we are in times of despair or need, there is one place we will always be heard, and that is in prayers. कहते हैं अगर भगवान को पूरे शिद्दत से ढूंढो तो आपको दिखता है कि उसका प्यार पूरे संसार में समाया है। खुदा को ये मत बता कि तेरा दर्द कितना बड़ा है, तेरे दर्द को बता कि तेरा खुदा कितना बड़ा है। I invite our little kids to perform and dedicate this dance to the limitless love of God.
Love endures forever.
Family is the biggest boon in life. You can't choose your family because it is the most priceless gift that we receive from life. No matter what, a family will always be there for you. Family has the potential to nurture you, uplift you, and celebrate you. Having a place to go is home. Having someone to love is family. Having both is a blessing. दिन के अंत में चाहे आपके साथ कोई ना हो, पर आपका परिवार आपके साथ जरूर होता है। ऐसे ही एक अमूल्य भरे रिश्ते के बारे में बताने हमारे छोटे छोटे बच्चे आपके लिए एक नाटक पेश करने वाले हैं। तालियां।
किसी भी परिवार की खुशी अपने चरम पर तब होती है जब उसके घर में एक नन्हे प्यारे बच्चे का जन्म होता है। असली जिंदगी वहीं से शुरू होती है, यादों से भरी दुनिया बुनने लगती है।
परियों की शहजादी है ये प्यारी गुड़िया रानी, इसके आ जाने से महकी जीवन की फुलवारी। पापा की लाडो रानी, मम्मी की राज दुलारी, मीठी सी मुस्कान है इसकी, कितनी प्यारी प्यारी के घर आई नन्ही परी, के घर आई नन्ही परी, के घर आई नन्ही परी, के घर आई नन्ही परी।
जब एक पिता अपने बच्चे को पहली बार देखता है तो उसके दिल में जो खुशी गूंजती है, जो प्यार गूंजता है, उसे केवल एक पिता ही जान सकता है। दुनिया के लिए तो आप पिता है, लेकिन आपके परिवार के लिए आप ही दुनिया है।
उंगली थामे चलना तूने सिखाया था, पाँव थके तो कांधे पर बिठाया था, खुद की जरूरत त्याग के मेरी खुशियों को पापा तुमने अपना संसार बनाया था। नाम तेरा पहचान मेरी, नाम तेरा पहचान मेरी, मेरे पापा मेरा संसार है, हो मेरे पापा मेरा संसार है। नाम तेरा पहचान मेरी, मेरे पापा मेरा संसार है, ओ मेरे पापा मेरा संसार है।
जब आप एक माँ बनती है तो आप अपने विचारों में कभी भी अकेली नहीं होती है। एक माँ को हमेशा 2 बार सोचना पड़ता है, एक बार अपने परिवार के लिए और दूसरी बार अपने बच्चों के लिए। जिंदगी में माँ को कई भूमिकाएं निभानी पड़ती है, लेकिन एक माँ की भूमिका की जगह कोई भी नहीं ले सकता। माँ की शक्ति ईश्वर की शक्ति है।
माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, ओ माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा। हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी, गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी, हो खुदा पे भी असर तो दुआओं का है घर। मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, हो मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा। बिगड़ी किस्मत भी संवर जाएगी, जिंदगी तराने खुशी के गाएगी। तेरे होते किसका डर, तू दुआओं का है घर। मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा। ओ माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा।
एक समय पर छोटे बच्चे और अब बड़े हो चुके बच्चों को अपनी जिंदगी जीने के लिए छोड़ने का दर्द केवल एक माता पिता ही समझ सकते हैं। आप उन्हें बड़ा करते हैं, उनका पालन पोषण करते हैं, उनकी ज़रूरतों और घावों की देखभाल करते हैं, और एक दिन आप देखते हैं कि उनके बैग, कपड़े, चीज़ें गायब हो गई हैं। उनके कमरे अब खाली हैं, उनमें केवल उनकी यादें भरी हुई हैं।
कल की ही बात है, कल की ही बात है, बाहों में पहली बार आया था तू, जिनसे अनजान था वो सारे जज्बात लाया था तू। मुस्कानों में तेरी लिपटी थी सौगातें, होठों पे खामोशी, आँखों में हजार बातें, वीराने में बहार लाया था तू, बाहों में पहली बार आया था तू। कल की ही बात है।
जिंदगी में माता पिता के प्यार से बड़ा कोई उपहार नहीं है। जब एक बच्चा चिंतित होकर बैठा है और उसके पिता उसके कंधे पर प्यार भरा हाथ रखते हैं, या फिर जब एक बेटी घर देर से आती है तो एक माँ उसकी खुद की नींद त्याग कर उसे खाना खिलाने के लिए जागती है, तब हमें पता चलता है कि हमने सच्चे प्यार का अनुभव किया है।
यारों जी भर के जीले पल, लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा। यारों जो खुद पे हो यकीन, तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा। यारों जी भर के जीले पल, लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा। यारों जो खुद पे हो यकीन, तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा। है जुनू, है जुनू सा जीने में, है जुनू, है जुनू सा सीने में।
समय बीत चुका है और अब आप अपने बूढ़े माता पिता को चलने, खाने, कपड़े पहनने, दवाई लेने में मदद करते हैं। हम बड़े होने में इतने व्यस्त हो जाते हैं कि हम अक्सर भूल जाते हैं कि हमारे माता पिता भी बूढ़े हो रहे हैं। उन्हें ऐसे देखकर हमारा दिल टूट जाता है, लेकिन फिर भी वो चेहरे पर मुस्कान के साथ आपके लिए मजबूती से खड़े रहते हैं।
पिता से है नाम तेरा, पिता पहचान तेरी, जिस सहारे पे तू पिता से वो सांस मिली है पिता रब तेरा ईश्वर अल्लाह जितने भी रब है नूर तेरा तुझ में ही सब है।
तेरी मैं बलाएं लूं तुझे मैं दुआएं दूं तुझको मैं खुशियों के साए दूं ख्वाबों को सजाए तू आँखों में बसाए तू तुझको मैं दूं सब जो चाहे तू सारी रात ये पहरा करे कह तू चांद तारों को चारो चारो इचा पारी चारो 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 इचा पारी चारो।
परिवार जिंदगी का वो स्थान है जहाँ से हमारे कहानी की शुरुआत होती है। परिवार एक ऐसा स्थान है जहाँ से हमें बिना शर्त प्यार, समझ और स्वीकृति मिलती है। परिवार वो सहारा है जो हमें जीवन के तूफानों से बचाता है, वो आश्रय है जो हमें दुनिया की कठोरता से बचाता है और वो प्रकाश है जो हमें सबसे अंधेरे समय में भी मार्गदर्शन करता है। एक समय के बाद जब हमें एहसास होता है कि हमारे पास केवल कुछ तस्वीरें और कुछ खूबसूरत प्यार भरी यादें बची हैं, तब हमें एहसास होता है कि हमारा परिवार ही सबसे बड़ा उपहार है, वरदान है। इसके कारण ही हमारा जीवन मूल्यवान है।
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम।
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम। एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो हैं तैयार हम, हैं तैयार हम। एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम।
पेरेंट्स, कैसा लगा आपको? अगर बहुत अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज जोर से इन बच्चों के लिए तालियां बजा दो। I am certainly emotional looking at the love they have for the parents and for their family. बहुत प्यार करते हैं आपके बच्चे आपसे। Yes, प्लीज और एक बार उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। एक टीचर और उसके स्टूडेंट के बीच के प्यार में बहुत ताकत होती है। एक टीचर अपने स्टूडेंट को उतना ही प्यार और ध्यान से पढ़ाती है जैसे वो उसकी माँ हो। A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. A teacher's love is unconditional and selfless. It never demands, it only encourages. To celebrate such a beautiful and pure bond, let us call upon our kids to dedicate this dance towards the love for teachers. Parents, please give it up for this beautiful performance and for your teachers that give love and time dedicatedly to your children every single day. Create beautiful bonds and memories to cherish with them for a lifetime. To celebrate the love of friendship, we call upon our talented stars to perform for you all. मैं कहूँ और आप सुनो तो वो है अच्छी दोस्ती. आप कहो और मैं सुनूं तो वो है अच्छी दोस्ती. पर मैं कुछ भी ना कहूँ और आप फिर भी सुने तो वो है सच्ची दोस्ती.
हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा, किसी के हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा. मुझे हीरे से मतलब क्या, मेरा तो यार है हीरा.
The least we could do is give back a little love that nature and Mother Earth has bestowed upon us. Nature's beauty fills us with love like flowers blooming in the sunfield. The earth's soothing sounds, from rustling leaves to flowing streams, reminds us of the many wonders that nature is capable of. जब हम हर सुबह सूरज को देखते हैं, जब हम बड़े बड़े समुद्रों को देखते हैं, जब हम करोड़ों जीव जंतु देखते हैं और जब हम हर दिन शीशे में खुद को देखते हैं, तब समझ आता है कि प्रकृति और पृथ्वी भी भगवान से कम नहीं है। इसी पृथ्वी के लिए आज हमारे बच्चे एक प्रण यानी प्लेज लेंगे। उनके साथ आप भी हाथ जोड़ें।
Safeguarding our Mother Earth. Please clap specially for these sweet parents who have participated in this dance with us. I don't just see an animal. I see a living being. I see a friend. I see a soul. I see myself. Love for animals is a profound bond that transcends language and culture. It is rooted in empathy and respect for the living beings that share our planet. जब आज हम फोन खोलकर कोई भी सोशल मीडिया पर जाते हैं, रोज कोई ना कोई न्यूज मिलती है जिसमें जानवरों के साथ बहुत खराब बदसलूकी की जाती है, उन्हें मारा जाता है, उनके साथ बहुत खराब होता है। ये दुनिया उनकी भी उतनी ही है जितनी हमारी है। एक भूखे जानवर को प्यार देने से और खाना खिलाने से हम छोटे नहीं होते। इंसानियत की पहली निशानी है ममता, प्यार, दयालु होना। तो जब अगली बार आप एक भूखे मासूम जानवर को देखें तो पूछे खुद से कि इंसानियत कहाँ है। Animals are the biggest link connecting us to our roots and our nature, and it is time we give them their rightful place in our hearts and our society. कभी कभी जिंदगी में इंसान ही इंसान का रास्ता काटता है। बिल्ली तो यूं ही बदनाम है, बिल्ली तो यूं ही बदनाम है। इस परफॉर्मेंस के लिए सभी पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स, आप सभी से निवेदन है कि आप अपने जगह में खड़े हो जाइए और हमारे साथ थोड़ा मस्ती कीजिए इस डांस के साथ। बहुत इजी स्टेप्स करने वाले हैं हमारे बच्चे, उनके साथ थोड़ा सा आप भी जुड़ जाइए। Come on parents, please, I want to see some participation from you all. Volunteer parents, आप भी अपने जगह पे खड़े होके प्लीज डांस कीजिए, okay? Yes, let's give it up for our little kids.
Animals dance, how would they move? Show me how many you can do. Do the kangaroo jump, kangaroo jump, kangaroo jump.
Do the penguin waddle, penguin waddle, penguin waddle, penguin waddle. Do the duck paddle, 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 paddle. If animals dance, how would they move? Show me how many you can do. Do the elephant swing, elephant swing, elephant swing, elephant swing. Do the swan ballet, swan ballet, swan ballet, swan ballet. Do the cheetah dash, cheetah dash, cheetah dash, cheetah dash. Do the whale splash, whale splash, whale splash, whale splash. If animals dance, how would they move? Show me how many you can do.
Snake wiggle,
snake wiggle, snake wiggle, snake wiggle.
Jellyfish jiggle,
jellyfish jiggle, jellyfish jiggle, jellyfish jiggle.
The crocodile snap,
snap, snap, snap, snap, snap, snap.
The wombat nap.
Oh, come on, wombat, wake up! If animals dance, how would they move? Show me how many you can do. Do the bear hug, bear hug, bear hug, bear hug. Do the leaping frog, leaping frog, leaping frog, leaping frog. Do the eagle glide, eagle glide, eagle glide, eagle glide. Do the dolphin dive, dolphin dive, dolphin dive, dolphin dive. Do the creepy spider. Do the prowling tiger. Do the clucking chicken, clucking chicken, clucking chicken, clucking chicken. Do the walking pigeon, walking pigeon, walking pigeon, walking pigeon. Do the rhino shuffle, rhino shuffle, rhino shuffle, rhino shuffle. Do the butterfly flutter, butterfly flutter, butterfly flutter, butterfly flutter. Do the fish swim, fish swim, fish swim, fish swim. Do the silkworm spin, silkworm spin, silkworm spin, silkworm spin. If animals dance, how would they move? Show me how many you can do. The dog wag, dog wag, dog wag, dog wag. Do the crab crawl, crab crawl, crab crawl, crab crawl. Do the grumpy gorilla, grumpy gorilla, grumpy gorilla, grumpy gorilla. Do the cool caterpillar, cool caterpillar, cool caterpillar, cool caterpillar. Do the swinging monkey, swinging monkey, swinging monkey, swinging monkey. Do the climbing koala, climbing koala, climbing koala, climbing koala. Do the horsey gallop, horsey gallop, horsey gallop, horsey gallop. Do the bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop. Do the swooping magpie, swooping magpie, swooping magpie, swooping magpie. Do the hovering fruit fly, hovering fruit fly, hovering fruit fly, hovering fruit fly. Do the clapping seal, clapping seal, clapping seal, clapping seal. Do the twisting eel, twisting eel, twisting eel, twisting eel. If animals dance, how would they move? Show me how many you can do. If animals dance, how would they move? Show me how many you can do. If animals dance, I bet they dance like that.
Bee is a beautiful flower waiting to bloom. It is possible only when we first water and nurture ourselves with love. Self-love is the biggest gift that you can give yourself. Love yourself truly, because that is who you are going to spend the rest of your life with. लाइफ में कभी कभी ऐसे दिन आते हैं जब हमें अंधेरा ही अंधेरा नजर आता है। वही समय होता है खुद पे विश्वास करने का, खुद से प्यार करने का, खुद को शक्ति देने का। लव योरसेल्फ, बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, ट्रस्ट योरसेल्फ। If you believe, you can move the highest mountain, cross the greatest oceans and walk across the water. तो बच्चों, खुद से भी बहुत सारा प्यार करो, तभी खुलकर जी पाओगे। वो कहते हैं ना, एरोप्लेन में पहले खुद की सहायता करो ताकि आप दूसरों की सहायता करने के काबिल बने। Thank you. Please give it up for our kids.
Cross the greatest oceans and walk across the water. You feel defeated, falling on your knees and looking up for some hope tonight. You try to stand up, but you throw your hands up like you no longer have the strength to fight. 'Cause you've seen too many sunsets, too many days ending in the darkest night. But on your own, you'll never know, you'll never know. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water. you need is faith, but it's almost like you lost your way. Took a few wrong turns, took a few breaks, falling behind now looking for grace. Cause you need someone to lift you up, yeah, make right of the things you've done. Cause on your own you'll never know, you'll never know. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water, the water. Believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water. If you believe, if you believe, you can do anything, you can do anything, you can do anything if you believe. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water, the water. Believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water. If you believe.
But not before our entire Mango class sings a beautiful thank you song for everyone present here today. So stick around and kindly encourage them, especially because you rightly deserve this thank you.
You shake me, help me, always by my side. Always by my side. You cheer me up, put a smile and say it'll be alright. It'll be alright. Thank you, Mom and Daddy. Thank you to teachers and my friends. Thank you everybody. To you, I say thank you. You shake me, help me, always by my side. Always by my side. You cheer me up, put a smile and say it'll be alright. It'll be alright. Thank you, Mom and Daddy. Thank you to teachers and my friends. Thank you everybody. To you, I say thank you. Arigato, merci, shukran, dhanyavad, khobkun, gracias, kamsahamnida, 谢谢, obrigado, terima kasih. Thank you, Mom and Daddy. Thank you to teachers and my friends. Thank you everybody. Thank you, Mom and Daddy. Thank you to teachers and my friends. Thank you everybody. To you, I say thank you. Hurrah, hooray!
Our Master Arav is here to conclude our Bal Sabha for the day. So kindly be seated as he thanks you.
Good evening everyone. I stand here today as a proud and grateful student to express my heartfelt thanks to those who all made this event possible. I hope you all enjoyed attending our event as much as we enjoyed putting it together. I extend a really hearty vote of thanks to our guest of honor, Rita Pillai ma'am, our dearest Pragna ma'am, Flora ma'am, our dear teachers, non-teaching staff, parents, and my dear friends of senior KG Mango class. Finally, I would like to thank all of you present today and helping us to make this event a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arav. Thank you so much. I would now like to request Flora ma'am to come on the stage and say a few words, please.
Hello, my dear parents. A very good evening to one and all. I want to ask you Have you all enjoyed the program? Oh, you all have enjoyed? Say loudly, you all hungry? Yes. So you are all happy to see your little children grown up and have given their best program today, right? And this was not very easy, my dear parents. It took 1 month for both the teachers, Sabina teacher and my Gargi teacher, the youngest teacher in our school, to prepare the children so well. And I'm sure our school, Lakshmi Bai, is a prestigious school in Mulund East and not anything less than any CBSE board or your convent school. Okay? You all have seen the children's performance. It was amazing, mind-blowing. So I want all of you to give 3 cheers to my teachers, Sabina teacher and Gargi teacher, and of course not forgetting our Pradnya ma'am, who is the main person who is giving us all the ideas and everything, and we are getting the best support from her. So I thank you, Pradnya ma'am, and I thank you, my dear teachers, for your hard work, and not forgetting to thank my dear parents, volunteer parents, and all you lovely parents for coming here and gracing this beautiful occasion and encouraging your little ones on the stage. Thank you so much. But sometimes in between I think few of you are dozing. That is why you all were not clapping. But now, in the end, I want thundering claps from everyone for the 2 teachers and for my lovely students. Very good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now the last clap for our chief guest, our Pradnya ma'am, and our media people and our non-teaching staff and all the teachers together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, parents. You are amazing. You're a very good crowd. Okay, God bless you all. Enjoy the evening now at home, or maybe going direct to some hotel with your children to show them how much you love them. Okay? Because they have expressed their love to you today, you need to express their love to them and say you are really amazing. Okay?
Thank you, Flora ma'am. I'd like to say a few words now. Neeta ma'am, please welcome Neeta ma'am. Clap everybody, children, for Neeta ma'am.
I have already spoken, but after seeing the program, I felt like speaking few more words. See what happens, parents, you may not understand what is this exactly. For all, it's just a dance program. But no, this was not a dance program. This is called education through playway method. See, here teachers are just teaching them dance. And these children are also doing a wonderful dance. But they don't know something they are learning from these dances. So today they have learned how family, because nowadays everybody is a single in the house. It's a small family, not a big family. So these children won't understand what is the meaning of family, friends, animals, whatever it is, whatever is taught today. Really, it was an education through playway method. तो इधर बच्चों ने सिर्फ डांस नहीं किया है, उन्होंने कुछ तो सीखा है. तो यही आपको ये स्कूल में मिला है जो और कहीं नहीं मिलता है. Yeah, really. When a family dance was going on, I think so. Each and everybody had tears in the eyes. हमारे खुद के आँखों में भी आंसू थे और अब सबके आँखों में आंसू होंगे. You do agree with me? So this is not a dance. It was something to learn. And today these children have learned so nicely. What is the importance of family in our life? Yeah, how you should respect animals, whatever it is, whatever is taught now. Really, it was amazing. And these 2 teachers' pains you can make out over here. So thanks to these 2 teachers and children, very well done. Good children, very good. Thank you very much, parents.
The whole class is on the
Thank you, Neeta ma'am.
The whole class. So it's really mind-blowing.
I want to thank you everyone for being a part of today's beautiful event. Your presence has adorned today's experience and made it a grand success.
Before we disperse, I want to specifically request everyone to enjoy the beautiful family photographs and decorations that we have put up around the pillars. We will be returning that to you in a couple of days. Now I request everyone to kindly stand up for our national anthem.
Janamana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Vanga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage तब शुभ आशीष मांगे